Okay, you guys. After a very long time, I went to the Asian market today. So today I drove all the way to Virginia Beach, which is like an hour and a half away, and got some things that would assist me in my daily life. But I'm also gonna be posting a video of my journey and my cost of everything that I bought. I will be posting that sometime later this week, so stay tuned for that. But we're just gonna go ahead and jump in because I'm actually really excited. Like, I had no plans of recording or doing any of this until I walked through the doors and I was like, oh, I'm about to be a Korean student. But anyway, of course you can't talk. I've been watching a lot of Hamzy, a lot of the Korean dishes and things like that. So I picked up some tteokbokki, some rice cakes. I think I've had these before, but I didn't like them, but I don't think I cooked them right. So now that I'm older, we're gonna go in and try these. I'm actually very excited to see what I'm gonna do with this because I've wanted to eat these for a while now. Next, now this is a very big thing. Usually I get the non-shim, the red cup. I forgot the real hot and spicy noodles, but I've been seeing a lot of this on YouTube and a lot of Korean people I noticed love chapaghetti. So I've never had it, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna be posting a video on this soon. This is also new to my arsenal. I've never had this. I've always wanted to buy this. I bought rice syrup. A lot of Koreans use it. It's actually like, it looks like cooking oil, but it's actually very thick. Because I've wanted this for a very long time. I got some curry blocks, some Vermont curry blocks. I don't know if this is the exact brand that I've seen that a lot of Koreans use, but I do know it's in block form. And this one is hot. I got the hottest one they could provide because, you know, I like hot things. I'm a little spicy. This one has curry with a touch of apple and honey. And I've watched where Koreans and Japanese people put apple and honey in their curry. So I'm actually very excited to try this. I picked this up explicitly because I've wanted to try this for a couple of years now. I got a very small container, but this is something that we've always all wanted to try. It's Gochujang. But I've always wanted to try this. This is a staple in Korean cooking. So I've always wanted to try this. And I didn't get the medium or the big tub. I got the smallest tub they had because I didn't know what it was like. So let's taste it. Let's taste it. Oh, that's cool. If I could read it. But that looks cool. As soon as you open it, it looks like that. Take a little bit right there. Smells very umami-ish. Ooh. It's a little sweet. And then it comes in with a kick later. I like this. I like spicy food, so this is gonna be a staple for me. Moving on to the more spicy stuff. These are habanero peppers. I eat these. I've been eating these since I was a child. I was raised on these. My family's Nigerian, just a little bit of background. So these right here, this is normal. You can get them green, orange, or red. I found red because that's what the most of what they had. I got a bundle of rosemary. It's only $1.99, so why not? I got all of this rosemary for $1.99, so why not? Ooh, now this is something I've wanted to try for a very long time. These are Korean peppers. I forgot, I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it choyang peppers? Chayang, please, I'm not trying to sound ignorant. I just really don't know how to pronounce it. But I've always wanted to try these. I see Hamzy use them. I see Manchi uses them. I see every Korean person I've seen cook on YouTube uses these peppers. So I'm very excited to get my hands on these finally because I cannot find these anywhere where I live. Green onions, staple, no need. But these do call for explanation because I've always wanted to try these for a while too. And these right here, these are Chinese chives. They're very thin, like paper-like. Let me see if I can get into this here so I can show you. Oh my God, I can't get into this, guys. Okay, I'm finally in. But they look like this. I'm actually very tempted to try it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try it because they do eat it raw. Okay, just like the name says, They're definitely chives. Very oniony, very strong oniony flavor. So I'm excited. I'm still excited to see what I can do with this, because this, if it's like green onion, then why not? Let's move to this bag over here. Sesame oil, staple. Squash, yellow. Plantains, lovely, my favorite thing. If you haven't watched it yet, I do have a plantain porridge recipe that uses green plantains, and I never got around to making yellow plantains, what you could do with them, but I got them. Let's move on to this bag. I basically got a lot of stuff that I wanted to try or know that I've already had before, so I know it's good. And I got a lot of things because I needed to cook. If you want me to cook BTS related things, or if you want me to make more Korean food or anything like that, I need some of these ingredients. These are Shanghai bok choy. I bought these. These were like less than $2, like for this big bag. Like $2? This is less than $2. This was great. Radish. The Korean radish. I've always wanted to try this. I cannot find it anywhere around, but I found it today, and I couldn't have been more ecstatic that I found this. I know that Koreans will use it in a lot of soups. They use it in kimchi. They kimchi it itself. So I'm actually really excited for this. Carrots, red onions, why not? Ooh, I forgot I bought this. I bought black bean paste. You know that they use to make, if I'm saying that correctly, Gochujang, the black bean noodles. These right here. Jajang. I can't. Guys, please don't read me for my pronunciation. I live in America, on the East Coast like that. But I'm very excited for this. I actually got noodles for this as well. Matter of fact, talking about noodles, I left those in the freezer. But yeah, speaking of noodles, I bought these udon noodles from the frozen section in the Asian market. I love udon noodles. They're my favorite type of noodle, next to glass noodles. But I had to pick these up when I saw them, so I got those. And plus, you can eat these with curry. You can do anything with these. They're versatile. Okay, so you guys, I've been seeing these chicken ramens on all the Korean peoples. I've been always wondering, how do I get that? I've been looking for it, but today I found it, and it was on sale. I found these spicy chicken ramens. This one is the hot chicken flavor, and this one is the hot chicken curry flavor. And this one is double the spice, and this one's just regular. But I'm very excited. They have all types of flavors. I'm actually gonna look up how to make these, because if I'm correct, these actually have soup packets in them. I'm very excited for these. When I saw these, I had to have them. And if you actually want to know what these taste like, if you want to see a video on those, leave it down in the comments below, and I'll definitely put that up there. Along with the chat video, I'll make that all into one video for you guys. Oh my God, I got a lot of stuff. I got Jasmine Rice, staple for me, rice cooker all the time. I eat rice at least 4 times a week, and if I don't eat rice 4 times a week, I'm gonna eat it all week the next week, honestly. We're getting to the end here. I couldn't go to the Asian market without buying something that I've wanted to try for a while, but I didn't want to buy it here in my town from a US manufacturer and then miss out on the real thing. So I actually went to the Asian market, went to the refrigerated section, and actually bought the kimchi they make in-house. And this kimchi looks like the truth. It's got the brine in there. It looks like it's long pieces of cabbage. If I'm correct, I think I see a little bit of green onion if I'm not correct. I'm actually about to try this right now, you guys, because I'm actually very excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try before we get off this video here. That's a big piece. Well, get with it or get lost. Whoa. 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 I love it. I love it. It's not overbearingly spicy for me. For some people it might be, but for me, I like it. I like it. It's fresh, it's spicy, it's cold. Last thing I'm going to show you is a little piece of me, you guys. This here, I grew up eating this. And I actually bought a few of these for my parents today. This right here is a Ghanaian Yam. It's called Ghanaian Yam. What it is just a cassava root. As you can see, that's the root right there. And it just grows like this or out and about. And if you cut into it, you cut this like, this is very thick skin. It's like bark, if you can see. Literally comes off like bark, and it's covered in dirt. But we boil this down, put it in pepper soup. We can fry it, eat it with stew. But this is one of my very favorite things, and I picked this up at the market today, so this was actually a find that I was not expecting. Okay, you guys, I know that wasn't much, but that was just one of my first trips. If you want to see me do another trip, leave it down in the comment section below, and I will definitely go back, because there's things I did not buy just because I didn't want to break the bank. But I'm definitely going back because I want fresh noodles. I want the dumplings. There's a ton of things in the freezer section. If you want to see me go buy all frozen food from the Asian section, let me know. I want to go back just looking at this table right here. I think Mr. Hoshi, is that his name? I think Hoshi says bye. I'll see you guys in the next couple of days.